Good evening, friends. Ahead of the US market open, just give you a snapshot of what I thought about today's action in India and what I think is beginning to happen. Now, as we speak, the weekly jobless claims came in the US, which are back above a million. The Dow futures are now right now down about 120 points. The S&P is down about 16 points. So we are going to gap down on S&P. We are going to gap down on the Nasdaq. In India, something like a Reliance has started to collapse, and the banks are looking weak. I hear moratorium is going to be increased. So what do you have to watch out for in the US market? That we open gap down and more selling comes in. See, what will happen is everybody is on the long side. So as more and more selling comes in, a downside momentum will start to be created. As buying the dip will fail as it did in our markets today, the downside momentum will increase. And the point is that US has all kinds of stimulus, etc., which other markets don't. So the sense is that other markets will start to fall much earlier in the cycle. It's very clear we've had our pullback rally. All the stimulus has not helped any economy, and neither has it helped the US market. So that way, we are at the beginning of a correction. Now, on some days it'll be slower, on other days it'll be faster. We'll keep on finding newer and newer excuses. But the point is that the market is rolling over. And what sort of correction we are beginning, time will tell. But I won't be surprised if we get below 11,000. Let's keep it that way. But overall, all this mid-cap rally that's been happening here, all this will unravel. People will get hurt. So take this warning on board and make sure that you are not in the line of fire. Even on the bank nifty, with all this moratorium talk, I think you will get very close to, say, about 21,000, 21,400, because suddenly this global storm has hit you. We were doing okay till like couple of days back, but now with this global momentum, if you start to open 80 to 100 points gap down on a daily basis, then more and more stops will get hit, and the market will tend to have sharper momentum on the downside. I doubt whether any sort of sectors will be spared. You saw today nothing was really spared of the sell-off, although we did come back from the lows. But as people realize that they are dealing with a serious correction, all of these Robinhood traders and these new people, they will get hurt. Do not try to buy the dips. So that being said, I think this is a good opportunity to operate on the short side, and people who have puts or who have short positions need to sit tight, because the correction is just about warming up, and it will take on a life and a speed of its own as it goes by. And we know what fast corrections look like. So I would hope that we gap down on S&P today and the gap starts to extend as more and more stops get taken, because obviously new highs have been sharply rejected by the US market. That should be it for right now. Uh, Keep an eye on Reliance. I'm worried about that stock now. It's now trading below the 20-day moving average, and we could give back a lot of the gain that we made earlier in this year. 100 150 point style correction on Reliance is easily possible. We have very, very weak banks, so things are not looking extremely positive. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.